Cheyanne,
Ja.
kan jij ons iets vertellen over jouw familie?
Ja. Ik heb, ik heb een papa. Mijn papa's naam is Steven. Mijn mama's naam is Marianne.
Haar naam?
Haar naam is Marianne. Mijn mama en mijn papa in Florida wonen in Florida. Am I sweating? I'm sweating like I'm in Florida right now. This is hard. This is moeilijk. This is hard, but good. But it's good. It's good practice. You don't know what you can accomplish until you actually try. And so just speaking it out and failing at it actually is a good way to succeed at it.
Failing forward.
Failing forward. Failing rector. What do you got next for me?
Oké. Dus jouw mama is Marianne en jouw papa is Steve.
Ja.
Zij wonen in Florida.
Mhm.
Is er nog familie? Of heb je nog meer familie?
Ik heb een broer en zuster.
Een zuster.
Zuster en één zuster. Mijn zuster's naam Jennifer is Jennifer. Mijn broer's naam is Jason. I had to think about his name more than I had to think about how to say. Ik kom from a groot family. Groot is big. So I come from a big family.
Ik kom uit een grote familie.
I come out of it. Ik kom uit from een grote family. Ik kom uit een grote family. Family. Mordenti, family.
Mijn broer Jay.
Mijn broer Jay. Mijn broer Jay. That is my brother Jay. Mijn broer. Oh nee. We're starting, here we go. We're starting with the R's. Did you guys know that there's a French R and a Dutch R? Is this the Dutch R?
And none of them is American.
And none of them happens in here just yet. Mijn broer. Mijn broer. Look, it couldn't even come. Mijn broer. Mijn broer. My broad, that's a completely different explanation or a completely different description in English. Mijn brood. Brood. Mijn brood. Wait. Mijn brood is here. Ik hou van mijn brood ook. I love my bread too. Okay, mijn brood heeft 5 daughters. He got it wrong. He has 5 daughters and a klein beetje dochter. Or a kleindochter. That's granddaughter? Klein. Okay. Mijn brood. Mijn brood. Mijn brood. I'm sorry, Jay. At this point, I wish I didn't have a brother. I'm just kidding. Because I can't say it. Mijn brood. Mijn brood. Bro. My bro. My bro, man. My bro. Now I thought it was hard to say with 1 R. Now it's 2 R's. Okay, excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. Vrouwen and mannen. All the mensen. Okay, all the mensen. I was saying brood. First of all, that's bread. Second of all, I was trying to say brood, which is brother with a D at the end. De. Now I'm realizing it has 2 R's. So not only could I not say 1, now I can say 2. So,
It's not abroad.
bror, well, depends on who you ask. Bror.
Broer.
Broer.
Mijn broer heeft
Ah!
5 dochters.
Mijn broer heb 5 daughters. Heeft. He still has.
Yeah.
Yes, he definitely has. My brother has
Mijn
5 daughters.
Heeft 5 dochters.
Yeah.
Oh. We can make him gorgeous daughters.
Mijn
Mijn broer
mijn broer mijn broer heeft 5 mooie daughters.
mooie dochters.
Mooie daughters. Daughters, not doctors. I don't think he has 5 doctors. If so, man, come to me. I'm a health coach. So I just tried to say that my brother has 5 beautiful daughters, which I think we would all agree. We're a little biased.
How do you say it in Dutch? My brother has 5 beautiful daughters.
How do I say in Dutch, my brother has 5 beautiful daughters? Okay. Can I try Chinese? No. No. Okay. Mijn broer heeft 5 daughters, 5 mooie daughters. That's better, yeah? En mijn echtgenoot heeft een mooie dochter. Ja? Ja, that's good.
How about your sister? Your sister heeft
Oh, I don't want to talk about my sister now. I'm exhausted. Mijn zuster heeft 2 jongens, zonen. She's got 2 boys,
Ja, 2 zonen.
2 zonen and 1 dochter. Dochter. Yeah. Okay, that was a bit easier. I
Can you
like.
wrap that up?
Yeah, so.
You got a mama and papa,
Mijn
brother and
mama en mijn papa, ja, mijn papa's naam is Steve. Mijn mama's naam is Marianne. Mijn zuster's naam is Jennifer. Mijn zuster Jennifer heeft 2 zonen, so that's true, zonen, and
No,
een
you just said
daughter.
She has 2 sins.
2 sins. Oh, okay, wow. I bless you, my child. 2 zonen
Yeah.
and een dochter. En mijn broer
Yeah.
heeft 5 mooie daughters.
Mooie dochters.
Ja, daughters. Like this one right there, yeah.
Ciao,
Whee! Okay. Sorry, you're only learning about that part of my family today. The rest we'll get into later. Oh man, today's episode could get real interesting, real quick, real crazy, because either mijn echtgenoot, my husband, or mijn plusdochter is going to test me on some of my favorite, or maybe more their favorite, Dutch words that I like to try to say. Okay, what is first up?
Shaiki,
Yes,
can I ask you a question?
you can ask me any question. Do I have to repeat it? If the trial.
Preferably in Dutch too, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, so if we were to talk about your education, what could you...
J'ai étudié français in mon lycée pour 4 ans. Oh wait, wrong language. I have no idea actually how to talk about my education. Does that mean I am not educated? Oh yeah, and what I just said was wrong. No idea is geen idee.
Geen idee.
Geen idee.
Alright. Where would you begin in English?
In English, I would start with my education way back when I was in kindergarten. I'm kidding. I would tell someone about my education that I have a bachelor's degree in communication
Okay,
from
there's
university.
A lot of English words in there too. As in
Ik heb bachelor's degree.
diploma
Ik heb bachelor's diploma in communication.
in communicatie.
In communicatie. Oh, that almost sounds very Italian. Ik heb, so if I was going to speak about my education in Dutch, I would say ik heb bachelor's Ja, ik heb bachelor's of communicatie. Oh, bachelor's diploma in communicatie.
Ja. Where did you study that? Waar heb je dat gestudeerd?
Let's see. Ik heb mijn diploma
Ja, mooi.
in West Palm Beach, Florida, from Palm Beach Atlantic University. Is that close?
What is all that?
I was trying to say that I have my diploma from West Palm Beach, Florida, at Palm Beach Atlantic University. I had to think about it in English.
There's a lot of palms.
Lot of palm. Typically, I'd like to just say that I received or I got, which is very American, my diploma or my degree from then my university.
Palm Beach.
Yes.
You studied that?
I studied at my university for 4 years
Majoring in communication.
in communication. Yes.
Minor? Did you have a minor too?
Oh, yes. In film production.
Is that like some kind of a specialization or something?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
People could major in it, but that was my minor. It had to be outside of my degree program.
So, we could say that for 4 years you studied
Voor 4 jaren
heb jij communicatie gestudeerd.
Okay,
Je studied communication.
what is study in Dutch?
Dat is studeren. Gestudeerd.
Gestudeerd? So you wouldn't say ik gestudeerd. Nee,
Heb gestudeerd.
I have studied. Ik heb gestudeerd. Gestudeerd.
Gestudeerd.
There goes the G again. Studeerd.
Gestudeerd.
Gestudeerd.
Voilà. Zo. Ik heb 4 jaar communicatie gestudeerd.
Wow. So in Dutch, this is the hard part I find for Dutch is that I just understood what Kim said. He's helping me with my inversion or with my sentence structure, but it's completely, in my mind, disorganized. It's completely organized, just a completely way that we do and how we speak in English. So Kim, I think he's trying to teach me how to say, I received after 4 years basically of studying, I received my degree, my diploma in communication studies.
For 4 years you studied communication.
For 4 years I studied communication. But now say it again in Dutch.
Ik heb 4 jaar
I have 4 years
communicatie gestudeerd.
communication studied. Or I have communication studied. So it's a little different. The verb in English, we would say I've studied communication, and Dutch, studied comes at the end of the sentence.
I have communication studied.
I have communication studied. Okay, so take it all back. Ik heb 4 jaren communicatie gestudeerd. In Palm Beach Atlantic University? Okay. I know one topic I won't be telling people. So, what did we learn today? Well, I and hopefully you learned how to, in Dutch, speak about my education, my family, what I love to do, and what I do for work. So those are pretty good. And then let's just say introducing myself. So I got at least 5 things that I can talk about now in Dutch and carry on a conversation a little bit easier with people, whether it's new friends that I'm making at church or at family barbecues or even somebody at the grocery store. Come over here, you, my teacher. My hostess with the mostest. I think so. If we can make all those Dutch words fit in my head, we can certainly make your head fit in this camera. So we are 5 months in, or we are 5 months in living together and having a personal student live with you. So thank you guys for joining us, and 5 months here, and hopefully in 5 more months, I'll have about 5 more, sentences and conversations I can have, or
by then you'll have run through the educational program.
That's true.
So
That's true.
See how it all ends.
Yes. Well, I think I'm much better and more prepped today for sure for that. So with that, I will say this is Chey'll and Kimika. We will see you guys binnenkort, which is pretty soon. And
see you later, guys.
Yes, we look forward to interacting with you guys more and more. Tot ziens.
Bye bye.